Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This one's going to be pretty cut and dry for you. If you want to use some strobes with high-speed sync in bright daylight to simulate warm photos, maybe possibly even a golden hour, then this one's for you. So in this behind the scenes, we're shooting on the Sony A7III with the 85 1.4G master. We're going to put the AD600 made by Godox in a 36-inch octabox double diffuse. We're going to put an AD200 in a 7-inch reflector, and I'm even going to throw the MagSphere inside the reflector with a half CTO gel to help simulate more warm light coming around the back of the subject. Now we've got a creek, we've got open field, we've got swings, there's picnic tables, there's the sun that drops down through the trees. We've got nice locations, so we're going to get a few different looks, and I'll even mix in a couple of natural light shots. Using high-speed sync, my shutter speed is going to be pretty fast, which is going to require lots of power because I want to darken down that background just a little bit. But we'll show some before and after so you can see the straight out of camera and the final edited shot. So please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can see the new content we got coming out, and we'll catch you next time.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.